Let's try that now. See if that's gonna help. I may have to do the same thing to the other one. Yeah, what did my carpenter father and husband always say? Measure twice, cut once. Yeah, evidently that didn't happen this time, huh? Okay, well there it goes. One little minor adjustment, and it's in there. Okay, woohoo! Look at that. There it is. It's pretty darn snug in there, but that's okay, you know. Okay, let's do this. Let's get the back on here and hope for the best. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yeah. Now that seems to be, looks like it's gonna fit, doesn't it? Whew. So, okay, let's get some chocolate down here. I'm not running out of chocolate, but that's okay. We're gonna get some up here on the sides. Lay it into place. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. All right. Okay. Whoa, dodge that bullet. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. Just kind of squeeze it together. See how it's still pretty flexible. So this is edible. You know, this gingerbread is definitely still edible. Don't, you know, don't think it's not. So, okay. Well, let's put those last two medallions on. See if we have enough chocolate left to put our medallions on. Just a little bit, doesn't take much. Okay, want these to go in the same place as the other one. My hands are so full of crumbs, it feels funny. Alrighty, did we get it? Did it go? Did it go? Okay. All right, now we can take our rope. Let me just kind of feed it in there. It's not really dry yet, but that's okay. It just kind of sets in there. It doesn't have to, it's not any load-bearing rope or anything like that, so. Okay. So, I think what we need to do is paint that, those medallions and put a couple dragees on there. Put our eggs in there, and we're close. Okay, now I'm just going to put some little coily doodads on the front of these guys just to make them look a little special. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. I've just rolled out little snakes, and with a little bit of water, just you know, put the water on this thing. It just seems to work a little better. They seem to stay together better. So, because I put it on the rope, and then I end up putting the rope on the wrong side, or you know how that goes. Anyways, okay. So just kind of follow your watermark and just set it right on there. And we're going to paint these guys just like the others, so they'll look kind of cool. Okay, and then we got this one. Just a nice curly Q. Just adds a little bit of, so it's not just a big circle sitting there. Okay, just round your edges a little bit, and like I said, follow your water. Whoops. Okay. Come on. There we go. Just stay there. Just stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Stop, stop. Okay. So, just some little curly cues. Okay. So let's make sure we have the right paintbrush. I think that's the one I used. Close enough. It's getting towards the end of the line. Feel it coming in. Paint that. It's still got a little water on it, so it's not really very happy with me, but oh well. That's the way it goes. Screaming. Wait, wait, slow down, slow down. No, no, no. So this, and the ones on the back, yeah, let's just paint them, leave them, you know, you're welcome to go ahead and paint to your heart's content. And then once that dries, we'll go ahead and paint it, you know, with that gold like we did the other stuff. So it'll all match. So, okay.